With this function, stock can be moved to another storage location, making it possible to move goods between several locations. Thus, the stock is subsequently registered at the new location. Open the Stock Management menu. This menu provides you with an overview of all the functionalities of a RETAIL7 app regarding stock management. These functions can be used to configure the stock of registered items in the RETAIL7 POS system. In addition, the stock must be set up in the Management console under Menu Masterdata Stock Management. For more information, see the section Stock Management. Select Stock Transfer. An overview list of all previous stock transfers appears. Please click Add. Now select the store to which you want to move the stock and click Select. Now select the items and the quantity which should get moved. Finish your input by clicking Add. If no item appears in the list, it has not been enabled for stock management. To do this, configure the respective item in the Management console. For more information, see the Stock Management section or select the blue button with the arrow. Then you can select the item to be moved. Once all items and their quantities have been selected, click on Item List and then Save. Select a reason for the transfer and click OK.